Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm actually back on my channel. I was sick for a few weeks, apparently like 3 weeks, which is crazy to me. I'm still a little bit sick, but just bear with me. Today I wanted to create a full glam Valentine's Day look for you guys. I did a poll on my Instagram and you guys voted a Valentine's Day look, so I decided to sit down and record for you guys. I feel a little bit weird because I haven't recorded in a while, so bear with me. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I create a full glam tutorial for Valentine's Day, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prime my skin using the Huda Beauty primer, and this is gonna really minimize my pores. It's gonna make my foundation sit in place and not look cakey, and that's very important because if you're gonna go out and see your boo, like, girl, come on, you need to get it together. You need to make sure your foundation is in place for that day. Okay, I did that. I am going to do my foundation. I usually do my eyes first, but I'm gonna go in with foundation. And I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm going to use this Morphe G36 brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the brush and I'm just gonna apply it to the skin. And I'm just patting it onto the skin, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender to finish blending it all in my skin. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. I'm just gonna pat it all into my skin. This foundation is like perfect for a full glam look because it really covers your skin. Like any discolorations or anything that you have, it will cover it, and that is like the bomb. Like, it's really good. So if you want something that's full coverage, I highly recommend this foundation. And it doesn't feel heavy on your skin, which is good, and it is buildable, which I really like. Using the Fit Me by Maybelline, I'm gonna apply it to my face just to set the foundation so it doesn't get oily. The point here is to be full glam and not oily that day. I'm going to conceal my eyes with the ColourPop concealer, and this concealer is in medium tan. And I'm just gonna set my under eyes with that, like so, and my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. Really love this concealer so much because it's full coverage and super buildable, and it's very nice. It's a very good coverage. Down my chin. And I put under my nose because I'm usually red in this area. So now that I have that concealed, I am going to move towards my eyelids. And I am going to be using today the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, which I am very excited for. Very excited. These colors are just beyond gorgeous. Look at that, guys. They're so beautiful. I love these colors so much. And I'm going to start off with the color that's right here, which is this light white creamy color. I'm just gonna start off with that, and I'm gonna apply that to my lid. And I'm just gonna apply it even where my brow bone is. So I'm gonna make my way up and apply it up there as well. And just blend it like so. I'm going to go in with this light pink that's right here. And I'm going to apply that on my crease as well. This is gonna be one of my transition shades, well, the second one. And I'm just gonna apply that on my crease. Oh, this color is so beautiful. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more just to darken that up. I'm just gonna blend that. And I'm gonna focus on this area here the most. And then just blend it inwards. So I look a little bit crazy, but we're gonna fix it. So now that I have that color on my crease and all over my lid, I am going to be applying this darker red on the outer corners of my eyes just to smoke it out a little bit, because I love smoky looks. Going to apply that to my outer corners here just to give it a more of a smoky look. Okay, now that I have it like that, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm going to wipe this area off. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. This is why I always start with my eyes and I don't do my foundation, as you guys can see here. But I wanted to try it, but that's happened. That's how life is. So I'm just gonna go back with my beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna apply the light pink and the dark pink, a mix of two. And I'm going to apply that under my eyes here, my bottom lashes. And I'm only going halfway. And I bring it upwards just to connect it to where I smoked out. And now I'm just gonna take my concealer and I'm just going to cut half of my lid. And it's okay if it's not perfect, it doesn't matter. But now I'm just gonna go in with my flat brush from MAC. This is the 242 SE brush. And I'm gonna go in with this light baby pink that's right here. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna go back with my light pink, which is this color here. I'm just gonna apply that to my crease again. I'm just gonna go back into my crease. And I'm just gonna blend my crease more. Okay, so now that we did the eyes, I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Okay, so now that I have that on, I am going to be applying Lily Lashes in Miami. I just apply it to the center of my eye, and then I drag it to where I want it to be. These lashes are gorgeous. Wonder they love this so much. Alright, so now that I have my lashes on, this is how it looks so far. I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to be using the KKW palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be contouring my face. And I'm just going to use a Morphe M551 brush to help me. Now I'm going to take my Patrick Star powder, and I'm going to clean up my contour with my beauty blender. And I'm just gonna apply some powder under my eyes just to set it a little bit. And on my forehead and my chin. And I'm just gonna clean all that up using my Morphe MB1 brush. After that, I am going to be applying my blush, and for blush I am going to be using my Makeup Forever High HD blush. Yeah, and this is in the color 225, and I'm just gonna apply that with my fingers there to the apples of my cheeks. Using the Nicole Guerrero highlighter with Anastasia, and I'm going to be using the shade Glow Getter and 143. I'm gonna mix those two together. And good. So I'm gonna take Glow Getter first. Ooh, girl! I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat that into the skin. So this is Glow Getter. This is how it looks, like I'm really glowing. And I'm just gonna go over it with my bronzer a little bit, just so everything blends together. And now I'm gonna go in with 143, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going to blend those two as well. Okay, so now that I did my face, this is how it looks so far. I am going to do my lips. I'm going to be taking Kylie Jenner's lipstick in Poisey and the liner. And I do overline my lips, and I also like filling them in, just so the color lasts longer. color is just gorgeous for Valentine's Day. Wow. And to top it off, I am going to be using my I Love Sarahi and ColourPop gloss. And this is in Atole, which is really beautiful because it has pink reflex and it's a beautiful gloss that I really, really love and been dying to use. If you want, you can leave it with the matte or you can add the gloss. I'm more of a gloss person. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was a little messy, but you always end up looking so beautiful and glammed. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. I know I'm going out and I'm gonna be full beat. I hope you guys get full beat as well and just enjoy the day with your loved ones. And I thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you want to see more. If you want to see anything else, just comment down below in the comment section. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and don't forget to follow me on social media, and I love you guys.